Hello everyone, today I'm working on an Umbra Emperor's automatic soap dispenser. The power button has corroded and was resulting in some strange behavior. In addition, I wanted to resolve a few other issues that I've noticed are really design flaws in this product. So to begin, we're just taking out 7 Phillips head screws, and that will get us into the main compartment. The whole black section lifts off once the screws are removed. Now, if you've been using this for a little while, you'll see that it's a little bit wet because the unit is holding water inside it. As we get the cover off, this is what the inside looks like. You'll see the tactile switch at the bottom, followed by your fluid reservoir and the control board at top. All the wires from the control board have the sensor and run to the bottom. To remove the button, I'm just going to lever up the fluid reservoir a little bit and then pull out the circuit board. When we look inside the top casing here, you'll see the hinge for the flap is another point of fluid ingress, as well as at the bottom here where fluid builds up. This caused corrosion on the circuit board that houses the tactile switch. The tactile switch is a pretty simple part. It's a single position switch with 4 pins, 69 cents at a local hardware store. Here I am just checking what the failure is. I'm doing a quick continuity check on the switch while I press it. As I test it, it looks like it's making contact with pins on one side only. The new switch you see here, I am just testing the pins to see which orientation is correct because the switch is not labeled. Fitting the new switch is pretty straightforward. I'm just using flux and desoldering braid to remove the existing solder, and then I will come back in and put the new switch in, solder it in place, and give it a test. Prior to fitting the new switch in place here, I'm just using some desoldering braid to try and bring up the corroded pads just a little bit, and then I'm going to clean out the through holes, install the new switch, and solder it into place. You might notice here that one of the wires came off. The end was a little bit corroded, so after I solder in the new switch, I'm just going to come back and reattach that wire and then carry on with the repair. With that all done, I'm just doing a quick functional test here. You can see that with the light blinking when I press the switch, it's switching how much soap will come out, and it's working correctly. And here's the dispenser after reassembly. You'll notice that I've added a blob of clear silicone to the soap gauge because of the big design flaw with this, where it's just an open hole. The bottom of the soap dispenser fills up with water every time you wash your hands, and over time that corrodes the switch and causes the intermittent failure. Thanks for watching.